Integrating Stripe with GoHighLevel enables seamless payment processing for your business. Follow these steps to connect Stripe to your GoHighLevel account. Log into GoHighLevel. Access your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the specific sub-account where you want to set up Stripe. Access Settings. In the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Navigate to Integrations. Within the Settings menu, select Integrations. Select Stripe Integration. Locate the Stripe option and click on it to proceed. Connect with Stripe. Click the green Connect with Stripe button. Log into Stripe. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account and click Next. Input your Stripe password and click Login. Verify identity. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your phone number linked with Stripe. Authorize connection. Select the appropriate Stripe account if multiple are available, then click Connect. Confirmation. After successful connection, you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel. In the Payment Gateway Integrations page, under the Stripe logo, you should see two green check marks indicating that both Live Mode and Test Mode are enabled.